concerning the law, I can only acquaint you with the law and leave you to your choice and its risk. But we have scripture for it, tell it, regardless of what they do with the law. In the 18th chapter of the book of Matthew, we read these words. If any two of you agree on earth about any request that you must make, that request will be granted by my Heavenly Father. Find two who agree, and that request will be granted. Well, can you conceive of something greater? If two agree on earth concerning any request, it doesn't have to be good, doesn't have to be this, that, or the other, but any request that you must make, that request will be granted by my Heavenly Father. Here we are told the greatest secret in the world concerning the human imagination. We are told that with God all things are possible. Then we are told all things are possible to him who believes. So he equates God with the human imagination. That God is the human imagination. And all things are possible to the human imagination. Now, a friend of mine called me today, and I tell you the story that you may see. It's entirely up to you. I'm quite sure that she was perfectly innocent in the wonderful work that she did. She's exercised this talent of hers, which she learned, as you have, from this platform. And she has done a remarkable job in the world of Caesar, in dollars and cents. But one has to learn something outside of this and govern everything by love.